Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I have Redmi 10 phone and today I'm going to tell you about Redmi phone camera setting guys. How can you use, how can you take photo. In this video guys we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos friends. So first of all friends, what will you have to do? Open your camera setting, and guys today I'm going to tell you about portrait mode camera setting. So as you can see portrait mode here, so I click here. Example for I am taking my flowers, and guys how to take photo, I click here. You can see portrait mode camera quality guys, you can see. You can see the dust also guys, the flowers. So I think guys you have understood how to use portrait mode camera setting in Redmi 10 phone and how to take photo guys. So bye bye guys, thank you for watching my video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. We will meet on next video with new topic friends. Before guys, please go and like my videos.